What the fuck going on, y'all? I'm about to meet my boy on his little motorcycle he just got. I think it's like a Honda Rebel 500, some shit like that. His first motorcycle. Some kids and shit in the way right here. That motherfucker whining, boy. Sick. It's a little cold out here. I just had to I tried to adjust the tension on my belt because I feel like it was a little bit tight. Oh, shit, it's cold. He should be pulling up right here like any second. Call him real quick. Ah, there he is. There he is. It's a car behind you. Ride with the motorcycle today. Yeah. Let's go to my crib, the crib.
This motherfucker is fast.
You want to go down Kiwi or left? They doing some bullshit right there. I'll say this quick enough to stay with you up until like 40, 50. After 50, it's over with. Because I can't keep up with you no more. But in the streets, I can ride with you though. Put this bitch in eco for a second. Fuck it. It's cold as fuck. On landing. screaming. That motherfucker be screaming. Riding in traffic though, you basically riding with anything in traffic. For real, I ain't gonna lie. But until you get on like highway speeds and shit. Like I said, you riding until highway speed. So, and like this a little highway stretch, you feel me? He gonna get me right here. Hey, this motherfucker's screaming, boy. This motherfucker crazy. It. Motherfucker be screaming, boy. I ain't really rode in sport like that because lately when I've been driving, everything been slow. But shit, that nigga shit, that little motorcycle quick. This bitch fast on the low end. It's just when you get to them top speeds, like past like 50, the cars and shit gonna leave you. But up until that point, you pretty much got it. It's a bitch fast as fuck. $76 miles. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. If you did, go ahead and like, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
She made this one.
Man, you want some bullshit. What type of shit is that? I advise you to make some pay, but I can't make you. Why you revving at the light like we can't raise a dog? We ain't boxing, what the fuck, I look like Jake Paul. Holding your man's hostage, this is not a prank call. Lil' bro ain't even got a job, he banging bang logs. Walking in the club, the host predicting rainfall. He gon' think he CEO until that chain pawn. Too many moves to shoot.